Narrowboat, narrowboat, narrowboat Will. Who's he? No idea.
So far I've made this up. Welded box section. As before. Well, there we are. That's the end result. I've just done all that inside that wheel arch as well. This is the one you want to use, these connectors with this really quite stiff neoprene type fuel line, you know. Build it up with some tape inside. That would be a plan, wouldn't it? Feed that through there, drill a hole or jigsaw a hole and put a vent in. And you see that there's already a hole, which is this ducting size hole. I don't want to make it any bigger. Good plate of steel there, look. Great for welding, isn't it? Look at that. 52, great for welding that. Concentrate, I don't need it. Right, think. Oh, pick and mix. I need some of this. Pick and mixes, rippers. Nice chairs in here, look. Just little chairs. Narrowboat size, aren't they? Nice. It's nice for a narrowboat, isn't it? Small. What's the price? 140 quid. That'd be nice for a narrowboat, wouldn't it? Right, I've now got 3 outlets, one there, and there's one under there, and there's one in the bathroom. So I think any more than that would be too much. If I run another pipe down into the living room, it may be too much for it. It's 5 kilowatts, so I'm sure it'll be fine. But let's see how this one goes, and if I can block these to get some vents I can shut off, block the bathroom off, and this one, then it sends it all to here. That's the plan anyway. Whether it's going to work, I'm not sure. It's been a beautiful day today, and long may it continue. What I'm doing today, while it's chucking it down with rain, I'm just going to cut a hole in there. If I can with a jigsaw. It's not going to be easy, is it? Yeah, I just do it. You know, I've got a circular thing that cuts it, and one of those things. Because I've got the money, and jigsaw's already here and all that, so let's crack on. So I've cut a hole in there, which, you know, in hindsight, that's the worst way to cut a hole, that is, but it's the only way to get in there really properly. Anyway, it's a hole there now, and it's got to be the messiest way cut a hole, you know. Anyway, it's done now. This will all clean up, it's not a problem. It's got to screw it on, put the pipe on, and then that's it then, I think. All set up. Oh god, it's piling out of there. Very little coming out of there. But in here there's a little bit, hardly anything, so all the force is going out the nearest point, then the second point, and then the third point, so I have to block that one in the bathroom for now, just to see. What I have noticed is is a hell of a lot hotter coming out of here. Now, this insulation's quite cool. Look at the temperature thing. This insulation under here, I mean, it's quite very, very cool, but it's very, very hot at the end here. Wow. I'm just hoping that the sticky tape will carry on being sticky. That joint under there, this joint here is extremely hot. Put some more around there, I think. Where there's no lagging. Wow, that's hot there. Bloody hell, that's hot. It's designed for heat. Surely it is. It's foil. I need to get some more lagging around that, I think. Right, okay. Last time the heat in here was 70 degrees. Now it's 31 degrees. It's half the heat of what it was. So half the heat that was being dissipated, that's 67, that's right at the very top. Below down, that's right at the nozzle of the heat where it's coming out. And below down, on the lagging, it's 30 degrees. So that lagging is making a huge difference. So there, coming out of there, it's 36 degrees, but where the lagging is, it is 30 degrees, is it? The glasses on. 30 degrees on that corner there where it's hot. God, this heat is coming out of here, it's unbelievable now. We've got 70 degrees of heat coming out of there, but the outside of it is 30, so that makes a huge difference, doesn't it? That's why it's so hot. So the temperature coming out of there is 29 degrees. Can you see that? Let's try on that where the heat's coming out. 37 degrees coming out of there. And this heater is on half of its capacity, less than half. It's on 2.6. The experiment is a success, but the extra heat coming out of here is absolutely incredible. I can actually turn it down now, put its minimum, and I will now get double. I'll get all the heat being produced. I'm well chuffed with that. It's 51 degrees. It's 32 degrees. The difference is amazing. Well, that was worth the 20 quid. I've still got loads left. Gonna lag anything else in the boat? What else? Gonna fire? Behind the fire maybe? What, a chimney? Okay. We are. I've got a container. I'm going to drain this tank off. How are we getting on? We're almost there. A little tiny bit left in the bottom. Yeah, it's still draining. And that's stopped draining now, so it must be all of it. I've just got to be careful when I take it off. Let's get it off, shall we? Let's put a stainless steel fuel tank on. But you haven't put copper pipes on, Will. Oh my God, I'm gonna run and tell the police. I know, that's coming. got this drill bit. You have to buy, to use these drill bits, you have to buy this bit with it as well, that's 11 quid, and that cost me 9 quid. The skin fitting cost me about 15 quid for exhausts. And I've got to try and figure out when we're going to put this skin fitting. And that goes on the boat like that, on the outside. The exhaust goes onto there, and that will be coming out the side of the boat. Let's go outside and have a look to see if that will go on there or not. Right, let's have a look. Ah, that'll be all right. So it's going to be here next to. That's the outlet for. Yeah, that's the outlet for the water. I'll put it there, next to that one. What do you think? All there? Probably there. So I've got a drill from the outside into here through the wood. There's no electrics there, because electrics run under this gunnels, I think. If there is, it's stupid. You know what I mean? All the pops run under these gunnels here, lot. I know they do, but there's no electrics down there. So I'm going to drill straight through there, straight through the wood, straight through the insulation, and hopefully bring it out here somewhere, and then widen this wooden bit. Oh, it's going to be hard work, isn't it? Oh, what a start. Can of worms now. Can of worms. I had to buy this special drill bit. This drill bit here, to use this drill bit here to drill a hole. But it doesn't fit into my drill. It doesn't fit into my drill, so you have to have a socket. What? I've got my drill ready. I've got my tap. It's M4 tap for my stainless screws. I've got my brand new drill bits, which you need those to drill a hole in the hole, you know. This is making me nervous, really. This bit here, which is all wobbly and all strange, and I don't know whether there's another way to do it. What I've got now, I don't know, you know. Bit's ready. Yeah. There we are. Bit of cardboard to lean on. I'm going to put some tape around here. That's going to sit about there, which I think is going to be about right. Okay. A nice sharp drill. 2 hands. Put you over there. You're right down there. Bit of force. Oh, don't want to break that drill. Okay. Is my drill running out of battery? Could be. I hate these drill bits when they do this. They twist. They twist and they leave. You see that? They leave a noggin in the drill when you can't get it back into here, lot. Every single time it does it, can't get it back in there. Eh? Oh, it's so annoying. Can't get it back into there, lot. It leaves like a burr on it. Oh, it's so annoying. I think it twists in there. Right, now's the big event. This is the big kahuna burgers. This is the. Let's just try this. That's come undone straight away. Oh my, what? Oh, why has it done that? The drill's gone back inside. What? that? This drill bit's come loose. Oh, it went everywhere, look. No, I can touch that up. Why's that come loose? There's actually a flat bit on this drill. And it's come out of that flat bit. Oh dear. This is actually pretty tough going, to be honest. Finally got it. My battery ran out on the drill. Wow. That's getting hot. Set on drill, yeah, set on drill. My drill's smoking. Oh Lord, look at that. Something going on there, isn't there? It's not liking it. Okay, it's not liking it. I'll get my other drill out, 240 drill, I think. Oh, done it! Yay! Got through. Is that hot? Oh, look how much steel I got through there, look. Bloody Nora. Sorry, look how much steel I got through there. What's that, 6mm? Wow, I didn't realise that. It was 4mm, not 6. Is that 10? No. Oh, blimey, no wonder it was so hard. Come on, we can do this. There we are, I think we're through. Oh Lord, it's come off. I think we're through, look. All I've got to do now is deburr this. That is thick steel, isn't it? Wow. Deburr that. Get rid of all this around here. Go inside and try and make a bigger hole inside. And then hopefully that bad boy will just fit in like that. Something fell inside. Oh no. What I've got to do then is mark these holes, drill, tap, and then insert. Okay. Just going to put a bit of rust treatment on that for now. I've yet to drill all the other bits. I think that's it. This is the delicate bit, doing this. Backwards and forwards. Just deburring as you go along. There's a drop it. Right, with some screws. There you go, there's one, look. That's one. Oh, I hate that. Look at that. I think you snapped it. That's number 2.
Can we tap that in situ? I think we can. One of your commenters told me this. Drill it, then put your piece on, then... Oh no! Oh my lord. Oh.
I just spoke too soon, didn't I, about snapping them. They're so delicate, those little ones. Luckily, I've got a spare set of tap. This is a boat set. This is a main set, you know. So let's try again. I don't really have to tap these. I could just drill straight through and put a knot on the back, which just there's no way I'm going to get in that back, that crawl space. Oh, it's almost through as well. Look at that. That is absolutely ridiculous. Drill bit. Huh? What have I done with it? Hey, bet the exhaust coming out there, isn't it? All I've got to do now is find an exhaust a bit longer that reaches that there, and I've got to take some wood out inside, insulation and stuff. It doesn't get too hot. That's going to be hard. I'll try and crawl into a crawl space. Oh, that's going to be difficult. I'm not going to lie. That's pretty nerve-wracking, to be honest. Drilling a hole in your hull. I didn't even realise it was so thick. I think my naiveness got me through there. I'm miles away from anywhere really. The nearest B&Q's Preston, about 20 miles away. So what I've taken out of these little jobs is to be patient. When that tap snapped, you just want to throw your tools down and give up. But I thought to myself, no, keep calm, think, turn your camera off, swear a lot, run around, kick the bushes, come back and look calm again. Can you? Oh, can you see the hole through there? Yeah, I got a hole through, and that exhaust is coming through there, lot. So that's an achievement in itself. I've just got to now, and you can see the wood as well is being bored. I've been bored doing it. I've got to take the wood off and make a bigger hole where the wood is somehow, and then get the exhaust on. I'm going to wrap the exhaust. I'm going to wrap the exhaust to stop heat transference onto the wood. Cover it in. I'm just trying to do the best job I can. I'm not an expert, but I've been talking to a diesel fitter. This is going to be copper pipe on here, down to the fuel pump and up to the thingy, down to the filter, up to the fuel pump, and up to the heater. It's all going to be copper. Get some of that from perfect sizes from Alfred's. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. So far, the hardest bit's been done, which is that. Second hardest bit's crawling inside there and trying to do some work. Right, thank you, and good night. I've measured the exhaust. That's 60 centimeters. I've ordered one for 120. So 120 centimeters should be plenty from there to the outlet. And I'll wrap it and secure it. And copper pipe, and that's all I'm doing with it really. I'm not doing any more. My BSS is not due till 2026, but I want to keep safe. I've got 2 CO2 alarms, 2 smoke alarms. I'll put a CO2 alarm in that cupboard, you know. I'll stick one in there, or one in the bathroom, just to see what happens. But I've had one in there while I've been using it. It's been no problem at all. So okay, right, that's it now. Thanks for watching. Look at this now, look. Hear that? Made the insert there, look, see that? See that? I've made the insert. We clamp it. Let's wrap the exhaust. Oh, the way we want. Let's wrap. No, rubbish. Don't bother, Will. Not. Don't. No. Wasting your time. I am. Trying to wrap. We're going to turn into wrappers. We're not. We're wrapping exhaust. More heat resistant, isn't it? Especially. Keeps temperature in, doesn't it? When the bike game. The kids had wrapped their exhaust to keep more heat inside the exhaust to get a better gas flow. So why shouldn't it work on a heating system? You know why? Oh, well, it won't work, well, because I just don't like what you're doing. Whatever you do, it's just not good enough. No matter what you're doing, Will, it's just not. I know. Everything you do is just amateur. I know it is. No matter what you do or how good you do it. You could cover it in gold and I still wouldn't be like, and I still wouldn't like it. No. I just don't like anything you do, Will. Thank you. Well, at least you're honest. Honest is my best policy. I've been single now for 45 years, living with my mother, and she's always said to me, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy, it really is. Totally agree with you, mate. Totally agree. Right, I'm going to go into there because that goes through the skin fitting and everything, you know, through the boat, whatever you. It really is the best policy, that honesty. It really is. I know. Can I get one that fits on here as well? No, it's just amateur. You weren't going to get one. I will find one. It just won't be good enough. I know. But doesn't matter what you do, but I still keep watching. Alright. You want to watch professionals instead? No, well, not really, no. I don't make as many mistakes as you, and I like to point it out and help people out with their mistakes. Thank you. You're very welcome. Even that's... I don't really like the way you said that. Really? No. Sounds like you're talking down to me, am I? See? You did it again. Did I? See, stop it! Alright. Mother! He's doing it again! Oh, just leave him alone. But Mother! You know what it's like, he's an amateur. Oh, that's the wrong side, I think. That's going to touch something. That's going to touch something. It's not going to be very nice when it touches it, you know. Right, test run. Let's try that. Got to bend it into shape and all that. Let's try that out. What do you think to that now inside there? Is that better? It's not touching anything, is it? It's just got to clamp it. I've got to take the skin fitting out again, and then take the skin fitting out, pull the exhaust through with it, put a clamp on it, screw it back in again, you know, and seal it and everything. Get some sealer. It's not quite there yet. It's a long process, isn't it? It is a long process. I'm happy with that. It's all wrapped. It's not touching any pipes, any ducting or anything. Yeah. Oh, you've not done a bad job there. Oh, thank you. It looks all right, doesn't it? I'm not touching any wood or anything, so. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Yeah. Eventually, I'll get one that produces hot water from this, and central heating. You know. I'm trying to get down now. So high up. It's one of them days. One of them days. It's just high winds, heavy rain, storms and showers. Ugh.